Okay guys, so today we're going to be making the Maze Mega. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. Laying out the tyres here, using them as the reference point, and then marking them out with a bit of limestone, so then we can start digging those holes. So you can make this piece as large or as small as you like. On the step-by-step plans that are available on the website, you've got a plan of the layout view from above, and that one is really good because it's all been laid out to maximise the use of the tyres. It really helps if you get a bit of a production line going. You've got teams working together, some of them doing all the drilling, some of them bolting them together, and then we're going to attach them all at the end and it should come together nicely. One thing to keep in mind is to make sure that the bolts that are going into those tyres are actually going down, so that you've got the end of the thread sticking downwards, so that if kids are climbing around on top of them, then they're not going to have little ends of the bolts sticking up and potentially doing some damage to the little hands or little feet. As always, make sure you give these pieces a really nice, bright and fun paint job. It'll just change the whole thing completely. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.